Got a 16i file from an old software installer? This is a 16-bit compiled InstallShield script from earlier Windows installations. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through these InstallShield compiled script files. Just a heads up, when we get to our final point, the one-click fix, we'll be discussing the value of a single powerful 1.6i file inspection tool. 1.6i. Files are 16-bit compiled installation scripts created by InstallShield for use in older Windows 3.x and early Windows 95 installations. They contain compiled instruction sequences for the 16-bit InstallShield runtime engine performing software installation operations on legacy Windows systems from the early to mid-1990s. 1.6i. Files use InstallShield's 16-bit compiled script format with binary instructions for the legacy InstallShield runtime engine. The format predates 32-bit Windows installation technology requiring 16-bit Windows environments or compatibility layers for proper execution of the installation procedures. The specialized program designed to handle 1.6i is InstallShield by Flexera. The file's embedded tracks and streams require a specialized reader for full playback. Windows does not evaluate developer scripts directly, requiring supported execution software. To force the file open, right-click your 1.6i file and select Open With. If InstallShield is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to find the specific compatibility bridge. When your 1.6i file does not open, it is usually a small issue. The fact that the file is stubborn means we need to look at 3 predictable errors. Here's a simple, short list of the common culprits and how to check them on your system. First, running in Windows compatibility. Execute. 16. iFiles through 16-bit InstallShield setup launchers requiring 32-bit Windows for execution since 64-bit Windows doesn't natively run 16-bit applications. Use Windows compatibility modes or older Windows versions to run legacy installers. Some installers may not work even with compatibility settings on modern systems. Next, using virtualization. Set up a virtual machine with Windows 3.1, Windows 95, or Windows 98 to run 16-bit installer programs containing 16i files. VMware Workstation Oracle VirtualBox or DOSBox provide virtualization environments for legacy software installation. This approach maintains compatibility with vintage software requiring 16-bit Windows. Finally, examining installer contents. Open the parent installer package containing 16i files using archive utilities like 7-zip or specialized installer extraction tools. This may extract installed files directly bypassing the 16-bit installer execution. Manual file extraction enables access to installer contents on systems unable to run legacy 16-bit installers. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.